Is that the end for all dive computers? Hi divers, welcome back to another 2 Minutes Tuesday video. Smartwatches are around for some years now, and Apple is about to release the new Apple Watch Ultra, which has a built-in dive computer function. But does it really satisfy the needs of a serious diver? So let's set the clock to 2 minutes and find out. The watch is not released by the time of the making of this video, but you can already pre-order it. The device is rather marketed as a smartwatch for extreme sports and explorers and comes with a dive computer function. So on the Apple webpage it says that it has a water resistance rating of 100 meters under ISO standard 22810 and may be used for recreational diving up to 40 meters. And there's a strange statement here that says that water resistance is not a permanent condition. Whoever wants that in a dive computer? Still, I think they just want to play safe given their history of not so water resistant gadgets, and even a dedicated dive computer can start leaking if you don't care for it. On the Apple website I don't see any further information in terms of scuba diving, except that for the dive computer function to use you need a third-party app, and that app comes from Oceanic and is called Oceanic Plus. Turning to the Oceanic webpage, you can get a first look on the Oceanic Plus app, or I think it's already out, but not available for the Apple Watch. So apparently it comes with a function for snorkeling and apnea diving, dive planning, and a fully functional dive computer that supports nitrox but not trimix diving. It utilizes Spühlmann CHL16C with gradient factors as the compression model, and I could not find any information about other used decompression models like VPM. However, what I can read from the FAQ is that you can only do minimum decompression dives with it. One thing I'd like to mention is that the app has a free version and a paid premium one. If you'd like to use the dive computer functionality, you need to subscribe for $79 a year, or can get a family plan for $129 for up to 5 family members. Still, that actually would keep me from buying it, because that adds up pretty quickly and you can get simple dive computers with the same functionality for a fraction of the cost, especially over time. Before I conclude, let me remind you to like and subscribe and ring the bell and never miss upcoming videos. So what do I think about the Apple Watch Ultra? Is it suitable for me as a GUI-minded diver? What I can see from the webpage by now, I would say no. I would not like to have a computer that needs a yearly subscription. I could consider buying the Apple Watch Ultra and use it in the free gauge mode, since I use dive computers most of the time in gauge mode anyway. But if you are a recreational diver, especially not a GUI diver, and you will or would like to use the dive computer function to calculate no deco limits, then consider that you need to pay $80 a year. Still, there are some other unanswered questions like, is the wristband even long enough to fit the watch on a dry suit with thick undergarment, and can the gradient factors be adjusted, which is important if you are a GUI diver. The biggest downside would definitely be the low depth rating and the missing trimix function. So I think dive computers will be around for some time and not be replaced by smartwatches anytime soon. Let me know if you think dive computers should be or will be ceased to exist and integrated in smartwatches someday in the future. What do you think about the subscription fee for the app? Would you invest around $80 a year? Would you buy the Apple Watch Ultra if it had trimix capability with better depth rating? Please, let's discuss in the comment section. See you all there.